Good morning. Welcome to Monday's Assembly and also welcome again back for our new school year. There's only one notice, and that is it is Mr. Armitage's 40th birthday today. So please say happy birthday to Mr. Armitage as you see him around school. Now, undoubtedly, during the holidays you visited some wonderful places. Of course, it wasn't very easy to travel abroad, so let me give you a taste of what you might have seen by showing you some images of popular tourist destinations from around the world. If you think that you know in which cities you would find these places, tell the teacher who's with you now. Here's the answers. The first one was a picture of the Golden Gate and is thought to be the oldest gate in the current city walls of Jerusalem. The second one was the Arc de Triomphe and is one of the most famous monuments in Paris. It was commissioned by Napoleon in 1806 to celebrate the victories of the Napoleonic Wars. The third slide was of the Tiananmen, which is the entrance to the imperial city in Beijing, in China. The fourth image was of the India Gate in New Delhi, and that's a war memorial and is there dedicated to 70,000 soldiers of the British Indian Army who died in World War I. The fifth image was that of the Siegestor in Munich, and that was completed in 1852 as a monument to the Bavarian Army. And the last gate that you saw was the Arcade du Cinquantenaire, which is in the centre of the Parc du Cinquantenaire in Brussels. So what do all these have in common? Well, they're all gates and visitors can walk through them. I'm sure that you have visited somewhere where it's been necessary to walk through a gate or a door to get to the attraction. Have you ever been to a theme park? I'm sure you have. The rides always have an entrance and it's usually decorated appropriately in the theme of the ride. It's designed to get you in the mood. And I'm sure that there's some of you who are real thrill seekers and like to go on the rides which go up and down, round and round and over and up. Not for me, but maybe for you. The entrance to these are designed not only to be attractive, but also to scare you, to make you wonder whether you really want to go on it, to heighten the thrill of the ride. Do you still go through the entrance? Yeah, of course you do. You're looking forward to it. Now, this year, there are plenty of gates waiting for you to walk through as we start this new term. It's not a physical gate, not a physical door, but instead an imaginary one leading to an opportunity. What sort of opportunity might that be? In the classroom, you could decide to adopt a different approach to your work, perhaps thinking that you could be more positive in subjects that you find difficult. In sport or in co-curricular activity, why not try something new? If you're an out-and-out sportsman, go and try performing arts. If you're someone who likes to sing and dance, well, I'm sure there's a sport for you somewhere. And probably most importantly, in your relationships with other children, are there new friends to make? Is there someone who you haven't got on with, who you're going to make an effort to rub along with? It's most important that you go through that gate. Never ever close doors or be scared to walk through a new gate. Otherwise, you'll never know what's on the other side. Thank you.